Welcome to the last PLC meeting of the 2017-18 school year. Just yesterday it was winter, and now we've finally found summer. Today we'll talk about educator effectiveness deadlines and teacher licensure, what to expect today and what to look forward to for the summer, and then we'll finish the day with a review of the year and discuss our 5-year goal. First, let's talk deadlines. As a reminder, you will need to have your PPG and SLO end-of-the-year reports done by June 8th. If you're up for evaluation this year, the deadline will be the date you meet with your principal. Also, as part of your 5-year goal, everyone is required to sign up for Year 2 Traits of an Effective Classroom half-day seminar. The dates and choices will be discussed later in the video. In order to finish these reports, you'll have to follow these steps. Sign into your Google Classroom, click your Educator Effectiveness class, click the assignment, PPG or SLO, click Unsubmit and Confirm, make any changes and additions, then attach your spreadsheet to your SLO, click Turn In and Confirm. The news on teacher license is there's no new updates. The last update was on the DPI webpage on 4/13. One part of the delay has to do with how the law was passed. It did not account for private school experience, and therefore DPI needed to amend the law before the process could be finalized. I'll let you know as soon as I know. Your biggest task today is to make sure you are completing the end-of-the-year checklist. This checklist was shared in an email yesterday with active links, along with a link to the evaluation of the 17-18 year. These links and documents can also be found on the Medford District site under Staff Professional Development and the PLC link. There are 3 different deadlines. By May 16th, you need to have the PLC point person and team document updated and your team summary sheet shared with me. By May 25th, you need to have completed the summer curriculum work application if your team wants to work on curriculum this summer, and the evaluation of this year. By June 6th, 7th, or 8th, you'll need to have checked all of your curriculum map links, have signed up for summer professional development, and completed your end-of-the-year SLO and PPG paperwork. As always, there will be plenty of professional development opportunities offered this summer. The schedule has been shared, however, the link to the sign-up is not active. More seminars are still being added. When it's ready, you'll receive an email with a link to sign up. Your team has until May 25th to submit an application for summer team curriculum hours. If you submit an application, you will receive notification by the last day of school. Last year, you were introduced to the 5-year professional development goal. As a review, our goal is to increase the number of active learners in our classrooms and school by moving toward a more student-centered classroom. Part of the student-centered classroom is using high-impact engagement learning strategies, which include personalization. And in order to make that easier, technology should be involved. Last year, Year 1, we learned about blended learning and personalization and how we can use it in our classrooms. This year, or Year 2, we will be reviewing instructional strategies that are proven to increase learning. By the end of the year, you'll be able to evaluate how much and how you use these techniques in your classroom. In order to prepare you for this task, everyone will choose from one of the following professional development options. You can either participate in a half-day summer course, there are different options with dates and times, or you can participate in a 3-hour seminar during the August in-service day. A virtual option is still being considered. However, at this time, you need to sign up for a face-to-face option. If and when the virtual option becomes available, you will be able to switch at that time. Today, make sure your team goes through and checks all of your end-of-year tasks and deadlines. Today's deadlines include finishing your PPG and SLO reports and selecting your PLC point person. If time, have a quick round-robin discussion on your team and/or individual accomplishments. For example, what are you most proud of this year? Then we'll see you in the Red-White Theater at 3 o'clock to celebrate. Have a great last PLC meeting, and we'll see you in the Red-White Theater at 3 o'clock.